Hello and welcome back to the second part of 8th Standard Geography. Lesson number 1, Local Time and Standard Time. Let's begin. Complete the sentences by selecting the correct option. First, the Earth requires 24 hours for one rotation. In 1 hour, dash. A. 5 longitudes will face the Sun. B. 10 longitudes will face the Sun. C. 15 longitudes will face the Sun. And D. 20 longitudes will face the Sun. Answer C. 15 longitudes will face the Sun. Next, to calculate the difference between the local time of any two places on the Earth, dash. The noon time at both the places should be known. B. The difference in degrees of their longitude should be known. C. The difference in standard time of both the places should be known. And D. Changes need to be made according to international date line. Answer B. The difference in the degrees of their longitude should be known. Next, the difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitudes is dash. A. 15 minutes. B. 4 minutes. C. 30 minutes. D. 60 minutes. Answer 4 minutes. Next, Indian Standard Time is dash. A. Ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours 30 minutes. B. Ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 3 hours and 50 minutes. C. Behind Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours 30 minutes. And D. Behind Greenwich Mean Time by 3 hours and 50 minutes. Answer A. Ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours 30 minutes. Next, there are dash time zones in the world. A. 360, B. 24, C. 100 and D. 365. Answer 24. Next question, give geographical reasons. First, the local time is decided by the noon time. Answer, when the Earth rotates, a particular longitude comes exactly in front of the Sun. At this position, the Sun is exactly in overhead position. When a particular place is having this overhead situation, it is assumed that almost half of the day is over and this time is considered 12 noon. In this way, the local time is decided by the noon time. Next, the local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. Answer, for international coordination, it is important to have a standard time all over the world. International standard time is decided according to the 0 degree longitude. On Earth, the 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich, England. Hence, the local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. Next, the standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. Answer, 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude passes through the middle of the India. Here, the difference between the local time and the local time at extreme east and west longitudes passing through India is not more than 1 hour. Hence, the standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. Next, Canada has 6 different standard times? Answer. Canada is having longitudinal extent from 52 degree 37 minutes west to 141 degree west. Here, the difference between the extreme east and west longitudes passing through Canada is of 88 degree, and the difference in the local time is of 352 minutes, that is 5 hours and 52 minutes. It is not possible to consider single time in Canada. Hence, for coordinating the routine activities, Canada has 6 different standard times.